Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashuduma Sutam. The JSE lost 1% to close at 27,617 points. We spoke to Johnny Lambridis from Element Investment Managers looking at Naspers.
Well, if we go back a couple, I think 6 weeks ago, you had me on the show and QQ had just come out with their first quarter results and Naspers was sort of trading 300, 310. At that point, our view was that the sort of tail was wagging the dog. Too much of the value of Naspers was tied to Tencent, and Tencent was on a very steep multiple at that point, 30 times. And when a stock's trading on such a steep multiple, it can't really absorb any bad news. And obviously, we've had some sort of very bad news coming out of China with respect to regulation of online gaming and and the virtual currencies. And that's obviously sent the stock tumbling. It's obviously more attractive now, lost about 15 to 20% of its value, but it wouldn't be at a level where we would look to accumulate just yet.
The Nigerian market dropped 0.78% to close on 25,554 points. We spoke to Collins Aken-Nemhen from United Bank for Africa, looking at today's gainers and losers.
The market today was pretty active in view of inflows from oil majors. Certain inflows came in, and that led to appreciation of the naira by over almost 40 kobo. That's about a quarter of a percentage point. Again, the central bank at the auction today met the demand of 243 million.
Today we saw the bourse turn around a week-long downward spiral, improving by 0.11% to close on 4,277 points. We spoke to Eric Musau, an independent analyst, looking at Equity Bank.
Equity Bank in particular has been of interest to both local and international investors with the new account they had with Safaricom. Although increasingly we are seeing investors quite cautious as to how much to actually pay for the stock, because it's not really cheap. But obviously there's quite significant interest on the stock given the performance of the company in the first quarter, and now we are approaching the second quarter, and obviously people are taking positions.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.